So for today, I am going to show you on how to create a stake account. So basically, you need to be downloaded the stake account. So first, you need to download the stake application on your mobile device and make sure that you access the application for you to able to create the account. So after that, you will see this page, which is the sign up and login, but in this case, we are going to create an account. So basically, just click for the sign up button and click which country that you wanted to invest, whether it is on the Saudi Arabia, on United Arabs Emirates. So click and you will have a few options, whether it is you could sign up with Google, Apple, or even an email. So basically, we are going to choose the email or the Google. So after that, just wait until it loads and create a strong password. After that, once you created the password, just click on the create account and enter your mobile or phone number. After you enter a phone number, an OTP will send on your phone and then you will redirect to this page and just click the accept and continue. And then click not now or get notified if you'd like to, and you could set up your biometric if you'd like, but just click not now if you don't want to. And that's how you create stake account on your mobile device.